Jack B update sa IG story ni Jack Roberto. Magkasama sila ni Madam Barbie Fortesa. Nag-date pa nga yung dalawa. Pwede sa paborito nilang pagkain, ramen. Enjoy sila Barbie at Jack. And date night. Ang bonding. Sila Barbie at Jack. The food is like favorite nilang kainan kahit yung anniversary nila kaya kinakain nila ramen. Sila Barbie at Jack and enjoy and date. Malapit na rin ang mansari nila Barbie at Jack and enjoy. Ito pa yung endorsement ni Barbie na Kemans, Max White, yung bagong product ng Kemans. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell for more update. Ito po on with your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.